Unknown RC touring car that I put big wheels on. It works really well for what it is. And go over it backwards. Yeah, no problem. Along it. To do anything RC car. Bit of rock crawling. Oh, I don't know what that was. It sort of dug in at the front there and just flipped over. I hope I got that on camera. What have I got it stuck? I might have done. No, 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 there we go. Ah, she's stuck now, lads. And lasses, of course, and everything else in between. Go backwards. Yes, there we go. Full send. No idea what happened there, but it turned off. It doesn't want to do anything.